8429. How can the proper hydraulic fluid to be used in an airplane be determined? A. By referring to the Pilot Operating Handbook. B. By consulting the aircraft's type certificate data sheet. C. By consulting the aircraft manufacturer's service manual. The correct answer is C. The aircraft manufacturer's service manual will provide information on the correct hydraulic fluid to be used in an airplane, as well as any specific requirements for the hydraulic system. The Pilot Operating Handbook may provide general information on the hydraulic system, but it may not have specific details on the type of hydraulic fluid required. The type certificate data sheet provides information on the approved type design of an aircraft, but may not provide information on the correct hydraulic fluid to be used. 8430. What is phosphate ester-base hydraulic fluid susceptible to contamination from? A. Rapid changes in temperature. B. Water in the atmosphere. C. Icing conditions. The correct answer is B. Phosphate ester-based hydraulic fluid is susceptible to contamination from water in the atmosphere. Phosphate esters have a high affinity for water, and even small amounts of moisture can lead to degradation and reduced performance of the fluid. Water can react with phosphate esters to form acids, which can cause corrosion, foaming, and other issues in hydraulic systems. Therefore, it is essential to prevent water contamination in phosphate ester-based hydraulic systems. 8431. What materials are Skydrol compatible or resistant? A. Epoxy paints and most common aircraft metals. B. Polyurethane and epoxy paints. C. Common aircraft metals, polyurethane, and epoxy paints. The correct answer is C. Skydrol is a type of hydraulic fluid commonly used in aircraft systems. It is compatible or resistant to common aircraft metals, polyurethane, and epoxy paints. Compatibility means that the fluid does not adversely affect or damage these materials when they come into contact with each other. In the case of Skydrol, it has been specifically formulated to work well with these materials commonly found in aircraft construction and coatings. This compatibility is important to ensure the integrity and longevity of hydraulic systems in aircraft. 8432. What is the hydraulic component that automatically directs fluid from either the normal source or an emergency source to an actuating cylinder called? A. Shuttle valve. B. Bypass valve. C. Cross-flow valve. The correct answer is B. A shuttle valve is an automatic valve that is typically installed on a landing gear actuating cylinder or brake cylinder. Its purpose is to direct the normal system fluid into the component for regular operation. However, in the event of an emergency, the shuttle valve automatically shifts to allow fluid from the emergency system to enter the component, ensuring the availability of hydraulic power during critical situations. This helps ensure the safe and reliable operation of the landing gear or brake system in emergency scenarios. 8432-1. What is commonly used to connect an emergency source of power and at the same time disconnect the normal hydraulic source from critical parts of a landing gear or wheel braking system for operation, usually when the normal source system fails? A. Selector valve. B. Shuttle valve. C. Sequence valve. The correct answer is B. A shuttle valve is a component used in certain systems to ensure that in case of an emergency requiring the use of an alternate hydraulic power source, only the essential parts of the system are activated. It acts as a selective pathway for hydraulic fluid, allowing the emergency power source to supply fluid to specific components while isolating the normal power source from those components. This ensures that critical functions can still be performed using the emergency power while preventing unnecessary activation of non-essential components. The shuttle valve helps optimize the use of emergency hydraulic power and maintains system functionality during emergency situations.